Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. Today we are going to see how to pronounce the two Dammat at the end of a word. So, as we should already know, there is what we call Tanwin, which could be two Dammat or two fathat or two kasrat, which is always pronounced with a noon sakina at the end of the word, even though we don't write it. So let's start with two Dammat today. Ba with two Dammat is pronounced bun. For example, kitabun, ki, t, ta, ta, b, bun, kitabun, a book. A ta with two Dammat is pronounced tun. There is a noon at the end, which is not written. For example, ma, w, tun, death. And then tha with two Dammat is pronounced thun. For example, harthun, ha, r, thun, which means cultivating the land. And then we have jim with two Dammat is pronounced jun, jun. For example, I, la, la, jun, jun, علاج, treatment. Ha with two Dammat is hun. For example, mim, mo, z, za, za, hun, muzahun, kidding, to kid with someone. Ha with two Dammat is hun. For example, ho, hon, hohon, peach, the fruit, you know. Dal with two Dammat is dun. For example, wa, la, dun, waladun, a boy. Dhal with two Dammat is dhun. For example, ma, la, la, mala, dhun, maladhun, refuge. Ra with two Dammat is run. For example, qa, qa, ra, qara, run, qararon, decision, to decide. Zai with two Dammat is zon. For example, kh, kh, kho, b, zon, khobzon, bread, the bread that we eat. Sin with two Dammat is sun, sun. For example, ha, ha, ri, son, harrison, a guard. Sheen with two Dammat is shon. For example, ja, y, shon, jaishon, army. Sad with two dhammas is son. For example, sha, kh, son. Shakhson, a person. Dad with two dhammat is don. For example, ma, ri, ri, don. Maridon, someone who is sick. Ta with two dhammat is ton. For example, q, qi, ta, ton, qitaton, cats. And dha with two dhammat is dhon. For example, gha, l, li, ghali, dhon, ghalidhon, someone who is fat. And then al-ain with two dhammat is un. For example, mo, m, ti, un, mumti'un, exciting. Ghain with two dhammat is ghun. For example, ba, li, ghun, someone who is eloquent. He knows how to speak. Then we have fa letter with two dhammat is pronounced fun. For example, ghi, la, fun, ghilafun, cover. Qun, qaf with two dhammat, qun. For example, shu, ro, qun, shuruqun, sunrise. Kaf with two dhammat is kun. For example, ma, li, kun, malikun, king. Lam with two dhammat is lun. For example, a, mi, lun, amilun, a worker. Mim with two dhammat is mun. For example, mun, 1 year. And then noon with two dhammat is nun. For example, ri, ha, nun, rihanun, which means a bed. Ha with two dhammat is hun. For example, ma, tu, hun, ma'tuhun, an idiot.